What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video again. We're going to another car show, as you can see in the title, and let's go ahead and check out and see what's all gonna be there. I heard it's gonna be a really big meet, lots of exotics and lots of bunch of other stuff, so hopefully we get a good video today. And I'm gonna use the GoPro to kind of film going down, just change things up a bit. So anyway, guys, let's go ahead and check out the car show. Alright guys, so we just arrived here. There's a ton of cars and literally I had nowhere to park, so I parked on the side of this AT&T building. Just literally there is nowhere to park. The lot is completely full. Everyone's parking everywhere. We can't park on the fire lane because otherwise, we're probably gonna get towed. So this is where I am right now on the side, so I don't get to really show it off, but that's alright because we're gonna get a good video here today, okay? Alright guys, so starting out, we got this Dodge Charger, white. Shout out to Eddie, my old neighbor where I used to live. And then we got this really nice wrapped twin turbo SRT Charger, I believe, last I checked. Another nice Mustang here. What's up, man? What's up? What's up, dude?
I'm way over here. I didn't even display my engine.
Couple nice BMWs, M3, and of course, if you're watching this, Lexus RCF, but in orange, just kind of like yours, the blue. All right, guys, got this clean Audi RS3. I like the color on this one too. GT3 RS, real clean. The size of these calipers, guys, freaking huge. C8, baby. I do like the red interior, kind of like mine. And you gotta have your nice ZR1 too. Love the red on the Viper. And we got another black one here. With the brown interior. This is pretty clean. Alright guys, we got a couple more C8 Vettes. I like the color scheme on that one. That one looks really cool. Highlighter color, red. Another red one. I always like the red ones. And then of course Ferrari here, guys, with the gold wheels. And then you got your Huracans. My goodness. This one is insane. Just look at the wheels, guys. Like, I wonder how much those cost. And you got another C7 Z06 over here. Real black on black scheme. Looks real clean. And then you got a couple GTRs. I think that one's my buddy's right there. Man, guys. Yellow Mercedes. Another BMW. Rear diffuser, man, look at that. And the tires, my gosh. Look at that, guys. He's got a Whipple on top to complete the build. I know you'll like that, Tyler. Another classic. And then you got your row of Mercedes AMG SUV V8 by Turbo. That's clean. Got your G-Wagon and then a Honda Civic. But those are clean right there. Got you a nice CTS-V over here. I like the matte color on that with the yellow calipers. Pretty interesting there. If you want tacos, tacos all, look at the line, guys. Oh my gosh. Got a couple more interesting Beamers and stuff like that, but and then you got a bike. All right, guys, so we got another Lexus right here, white. Like the finish on it. Another Lexus here. Got a different color scheme, matte with the yellow and the orange and the blue striping there. That's pretty interesting too. And we'll just go down the line. You know, I got your 5.0, got your Subaru, bagged, Infiniti, another Honda, and then Mazda Speed 3, I think. Pretty cool. All right, guys, so we've got a couple more Beamers here. Look at this one. It's got I think it's a V8 swap in there. It's pretty interesting. But if you look, the entire thing is gutted. Look at that. Look at that. It's gutted. That's cool. We'll go on to the next one. I like the wrap on that one. That one's pretty interesting. Got another BMW. Nice STI over here. This is pretty cool. I like the wheels. Looks like another Z51 possibly. It's got red leather seats like mine. Manual. Got a carbon fiber Z51 spoiler and the side skirts. Real clean, real clean. Oh, he just got it too. Going down the line, guys. That's pretty clean there. Got a couple more bagged ones. So I like that one, the Honda SI, Honda S2000. Sorry, I said SI. On the S2000, that one's pretty clean there, and a couple more of the bag ones. I do like the two-tone on this, half and half. That's pretty cool. What you know about that lowered life, and I do like the color scheme on this one too.
Well, it started at 10, but this opens up at 9. On Facebook it says 9.
Yeah, Instagram's at 10. That's why I was like, all right, cool.
And you can't have a car show without a Supra, guys. This one's pretty clean. You can see it here. Look at that. And then this one's insane too. Twin turbo. Bringing back the memories. All right, guys, we're making our way still. There's so many more cars to see. So we got the classic Z28, and then your Catfish SS here, and oh my god, guys, we got a Jeep, another Catfish, and then oh my gosh, guys, another Jeep Limited. Got your Pontiac Firebird, another SS, couple more Trans Am, and then we got ourselves another C6 Grand Sport. I was gonna get one of those before I got the C7, but I figured a C7 I prefer. So, and then you got another classic Z28 Camaro looking real fly in the red. All right, on next we have a Cobra Mustang old school with next to a couple more Fox bodies. Tyler will like these too. Oh, but look at this one, guys. It has a 5.0 swap on it. Oh man, this thing I'm sure gets up and goes. That is clean. That is real clean. Let me just look inside. I gotta look inside real quick. That is clean. I do like the red on this one. It's got the 10th anniversary wheels on it. Real clean. Vortex blower. A couple more. Ooh, Celine. You don't see too many of those. Grand Cherokee Supercharged. Look at that, guys. Wow. This is interesting, guys. The BMW slammed on the ground. I forget what these are, but still pretty clean. Y'all let me know what in the comments this is. I have no idea. It's probably Euro. I mean, look, you got the things in the back popping out. The doors super tight. Very interesting. Very interesting. That's cool. And then, of course, Charger 392. Can't have a show without a Tesla here. Got your blue GTO looking real good too. You don't see too many of those. Engine bay looking pretty good. You don't see too many of those either. Someone's chopping. A couple more Fox bodies. Making this noise. All right, guys, we're making it down. Another Subaru Supra, Mini Cooper. You got your Challenger, Chargers, a bunch of Mopar looks like over here on this side. Look, they had the little car to match. Hellcat. That's pretty cool. I like the color on this one too. Oh, the sun's coming out. Porsche. Oh, and I do like the orange C7. I always have a soft spot for the C7s. I just love the way they look. So clean. Look, guys, another blue GTO looking real clean. Got this dropped truck here. Nice Chrysler 300. Do like the wrap on this one. This one's pretty clean. He's ready to go too. He's got the fat tires in the back. Nice orange one too. Slingshot. Interesting slingshot. Oh my gosh, guys. You got your Skylines, guys. Skylines. Man, there's so many cars here. There is a couple more Skylines, guys. Just going down the row. Nice Subaru STI. I like the color on the SS. Look really good. There's this thing that had that portrait there. Still pretty cool. That's pretty clean though. And then another Honda. It's another nice 5.0. And the Honda S2000 right next to it. And another Beamer. Pretty clean. Oh guys, this Grand Sport that's coming in the C6 is chopping. It sounds so freaking good. Oh, it sounds so good. Mine will sound like that one day. And then I got another nice Mustang right here. He's got skinnies and the fats. He's ready to go. And then another one, guys. Oh shit, it's a ZR1. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, another GTR just showed up. So we have 3 right here. Looking real clean. I love the blue, gray, and the red. Those just look super, super clean, guys. Oh, guys, we got an i8 coming in. Woo! Look at that. Looks like a Stingray. I like the spoiler on it. Oh, Subi's going that way. Another GTR, guys. Another GTR.
He's gonna be parking in front of them.
Got a black Supra coming in. Alright guys, so I've come back to see if anyone else has parked by us. There's me, and there's a couple other people. Challengers, out the wazoo. That's pretty clean. Alright guys, way over here by himself. 9904, looks like a Mustang GT. It's got the well wheels on the front and the back. Looks pretty sick. Got the boiler exhaust. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Tyler, you remember when you had your GT? All right, guys, so we have white C7 Z06, like the yellow calipers on this one. It does have red seats inside, and then also a C6 Z06 as well. So we see those. They did not go miss. They did park a little far away because parking is terrible right now because there's no spots, but pretty clean there. Oh guys, look, another GTR is popping in right there. So we got a whole squad of GTRs, silver, looking clean. GTR boys. German Shepherd. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. That is clean. And then you got another Grand Sport right behind it. Both sounding clean, man. Guys, check out the build on this one. It's got a V8 swapped turbo right there. That's pretty clean. Got your nice lowered truck. Pretty clean, guys. Kenny Bell. Yeah, 9904 with the Kenny Bell blower on it.
40th anniversary.
See on the right hand side. Guys, look at this black and orange Lamborghini Aventador, bruh. Look at that. Yeah, he know what he got. All right, guys, here's the Lamborghini Aventador up close in person. Oh my gosh, it looks sick. White Alfa Romeo, guys, next to another blue C8, looking clean. Oh, guys, look, red Audi R8 V10. He's gonna park right here.
Yeah, I like these too. These are very nice.
Got another blue BMW coming in. I like the color on that one. Carbon fiber, M3. It's pretty clean. 300. Nissan. And then a Mercedes. Oh my goodness, that was loud. V8 by turbo. There's my friend right there. ZR1, baby. ZR1. It's probably pushing 1,000, I would assume. I mean, stock they're like 700 basically, like 650 or whatever, but they never are stock.
They weigh nothing.
But they're never stock. That's the thing. Yep. Nice red 5.0, guys. Consider it or not, I was gonna get something like this. I was considering either Mustang or a C7 before I got this one, and it was gonna be red just like that with the performance pack wheels and everything. So pretty cool there. All right, guys, another Audi R8 just showed up as I was walking back. Yeah, it's R8. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. That is custom clean. Guys, look at this wide body dropped, missing the bumper, Infinity. Another 300 Nissan Z. All right, Dad, this goes to you. Red Stingray in the 70s configuration, just like yours when you had it when you were young. Except it wasn't a convertible, but you did have the T-tops with the rack on the back.
Yeah, send that to Dad.
I am. Alright guys, glad y'all enjoyed the video. We are done. We've seen everything we basically can. Unfortunately, I didn't get to show my car off because I came too late. Parking was atrocious. No parking spots left, but that's okay because I got a really good video for y'all guys. Hopefully in the next car show I do, it'll be better. So otherwise, guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. This is the Rogue Vet out. Thanks. Peace.